Hi, welcome back to AWC channel. Today's video is one of my favorite when trading using clean charts, no indicator at all. And for me, this is like eternal knowledge, never expired. We will steal from I call isolated and fresh key level. Let's get into it. So today's video will be first how to find isolated and fresh key level. The key level here refers to support and resistance. Second is how to react using it. And third, applying on binary options and forex as well. Both of them have a little bit different approach, so let's see what happens. First of all, time frame recommendation. This is very important, so please don't ignore it. I have listed it, and from experience, this is the group. If you want to execute the entry at 1 minute time frame, so before that, your analysis time frame should be at 15 minutes. That's our key level come from. This group is suitable for binary options only, based on my opinion. Then, if you want to execute on 5 minutes time frame, the 1 hour chart should be our analysis time frame. This group suitable for binary options and forex as well. Then we have 15 minutes for the execution time frame and 4 hour chart for the analysis time frame, and so on till daily time frame for the execution, monthly chart for the analysis time frame. Start from 15 minutes group and above. They are recommended on forex approach only. Since in binary options, our profit and risk are already capped, so from my perspective, speculate on too high time frame somehow is a waste of time. Again, notice that our key level will come from the analysis time frame only. By using higher support and resistance time frame, it will give more significant impact to the price movement when it returns to that level for the first time in the future. At the moment, there are many things around my head that I want to deliver to this video. So I decided to divide my sharing today into 2 parts. The first part I will dedicate it using binary options approach. And the second we will do more on forex. What is isolated key level? It is a stand-alone, obvious swing high or low spotted on analysis time frame. Not at the execution time frame. This is the point. I see many traders look for key level at the same time frame that for me is not a great approach. The idea is the more obvious the more isolated we could see on the first glance will be the better one. Next, what is fresh key level? Fresh here means an area that has not revisited yet. So the first goal is to find have not revisited stand-alone obvious swings support resistance on analysis time frame. Next, enough for the theory, let's jump to the chart. First, zoom out our chart a little bit and look for the obvious isolated swing on 15-minute chart. Then mark it with the vertical line. Then zoom in and down to our execution time frame, the 1 minute, to adjust the level using horizontal line. I noticed the lowest closing body, or for the beginner, could switch to line chart first. After horizontal line adjusted, now we see how the price reacts when it return or revisit the line for the first time. Okay, recap in this strategy. Find the isolated and fresh key level on analysis time frame. Adjust level on execution time frame. Wait it return and touch for the first time. Then entry reversal. The quality of the trade is begin with how good you find the isolated and fresh key level we just mentioned above. Don't dream of something we all are about getting rich soon. Always manage your risk, nothing is 100%. Next video, I'll share how to increase the accuracy based on the strategy, and let's do it on Forex as well. That's it for today's video. If you like or learn something new, consider to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because more useful videos are about to come in the near future. See you next time.